What's up, guys? Okay.
Welcome back to our video.
Yeah, welcome back to our video.
Today we are going to tour the YouTuber SMP.
Yep. And when... Yes.
Yeah, you can share that part. Why you have a new house.
Yeah, why I have a new house.
We all, if you're wondering that, we're about to answer that. Well, the wizard is.
Yeah.
Today we are exploding his house.
I think you saw like on Green Kid 1. I exploded
Yeah, if you haven't
over
seen
there.
his video, go watch that after this. Hey, his link is in the description below. So is Mrs. B's, Shishi Bonanza, and Slender 56. They are all in the description below. Look for cool kids and you'll find it. Anyway, let's get right into it. Alrighty, let's explode. And after we explode, we are going to do a wizard duel.
Okay.
Yeah, we are going to do a wizard duel. Oh, comment down below what house we should do for our next series on Green Kid 1's new Hypixel SMP. So comment down below what should we do. And we'll read them and see what else we should do. We're thinking kind of a mansion kind of thing. I don't know. Tell us what.
We will
like a base or
we will do separate houses like that.
Yeah, separate houses like last videos. Anyway, so yeah, I'm kind of thinking a Minecraft guy, because my new guy thing is gonna be kind of a creeper ranger. Anyway, yeah, we are gonna do that. Just let us know what you think. Yeah, that's mostly it. While we're exploding this, we'll keep you in touch. And yes, we will be doing a wizard duel, but we have to do this first.
We have to do that with Green Kid 1 or something.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do that with Green Kid 1 because we're both wizards. But yeah, it's pretty cool.
Alright, that's it!
Alright, yeah, that's it. We'll do TNT. Yeah, get TNT.
Alright, that's it. Bye! Okay, this what damage we did.
Yeah, this is the damage Green Kid 1 did. And Mrs. Beast. Yeah. Exploding this was Green Kid's 1 idea. Yeah, they spawned like withers and they did end portals.
Yeah, they did. It was amazing.
Yeah.
It was yeah. So
Anyway, yeah, that's mostly it.
yeah.
Who did that?
Yeah, you did this.
Oh, wow. What? Oh. Green, if you're watching this, I know you did this. Green, I know you're doing this.
Yes. Green.
Anyway, Green, if you're watching this, I know you did that. Oh, it was a lever trick. Once you break it or something, I don't really know.
Yeah, we don't know where a level is. So
Okay. Ooh, dang, another lava pit thing. Drop down there and see. Okay, this is a. Guess this turned out to be exposing Green's secret. All of the secrets, I guess. Ooh, yeah, the lever might be in there. Oh no, they're all traps. What? See, what? Go down there.
it's like there's like a thing. It's like
Alright guys, we got a little bit off target, but it's pretty good for this video. We can try to make them about 30 minutes long, about
okay.
30,
We
15.
find the level. It's right here.
Yeah.
So
Anyway,
yeah. Anyway, so
let's get right in the wizard duel.
peace.
Not peace yet.